Hello everyone. Today in this video we will learn about how to create and edit shapefiles in ArcMap. So to create shapefile, first of all go to Arc catalog and then right click the folder in which you want to create the shapefile. So I select this, then right click on the folder and then go to new, then select shapefile. Here many options are available, but we select shapefile. So name the shapefile as we can give the name as point feature, and in feature type there are many options: point, polyline, polygon, multiple points, m- and multi patches. So I select point. Then next option is coordinate system. How to describe the coordinate system for the feature class. So to add spatial reference to the shapefile, click on edit and select appropriate coordinate system as I select, and then click on OK, then OK. So in this way we successfully created a shapefile as a point feature. So uh, in the same way we can create shapefile for polyline layer as well as for polygon layer also. So go to our catalog and right click on the folder in which you want to create your shapefile, and then right click and click on new, then select shapefile, then we can name it as polyline, and here many options: point, polyline, polygon, multi-point, multi-page. So I select polyline and then give the spatial reference to the shapefile. Then I select coordinate system WGS 1984, then click on OK. So I have created a shapefile of polyline, and then next step is how to create shapefile of polygon layer. So go to the destination folder and click on new, then click on shapefile, then name the shapefile as polygon feature, then select the feature type as a polygon and then give the spatial reference to the shapefile, and I select WGS 1984 transverse Mercator, then OK, then OK. So in this way we can create the feature class or shapefile in the point, line and polygon layer also. So next one is how to edit shapefile in ArcGIS. So to edit shapefile in ArcGIS, first of all add any base map to start edit in the shapefile. So I added a topo sheet layer as well as a satellite data also. So here we can see that here these are the settlements. These are the settlements, and then these lines indicates the roads. These are the roads, and these green patches indicates the agriculture or plantation. So we can interpret the image, the satellite image, and then we can start our editing session. And next one is the topo sheet. Here I use the topo sheet layer, and we can use the topo sheet as well as the satellite data as a map, base map. So just go to the editor. So go to, just right click on here and select editor, and then start editing. Here start editing can be start by using, just by clicking on, right click on the layer and then go to edit feature, then start editing. So in this way editing session is start, and we can start editing from here also. Just click on start editing and we can start editing here. So first of all, go to create feature, and then we can create any feature using point, line or polygon layer. So before editing the shapefile, we must symbolize our feature class as I give the symbology to the point, to line, and to the polygon feature also, right? Then start our editing session. So click on the point feature, and then from construction tools we can select many tools. For point feature there are two tools. First one is point and second one is point at end of the line. So we select point. So here we can see some symbols are, green symbols are here. So these symbols uh, can be uh, um, can be digitized using the point feature. So I click on the symbol and give the, so in this way I can create the point features using a point shapefile, just like this, this. Okay, now just click on save edits. Before stop editing, we must click on save edits to save our edits, right? Okay, the next one is line feature. In this feature class, we can select many construction tools as a digitization option. So click on line, and then we can create, we can draw any line on the base map, just like road, and then like this. Or we can use any satellite data to start editing session. So first of all, we should remember that if we are working with line shapefile, then we must start our snapping tool. Just go to the editor and then snapping toolbar. So I select this and then start editing like this. Right? Okay. Now we can draw many line features using the line polyline feature class. So next step is how to draw a polygon layer. In the polygon feature, just select on polygon feature from the create feature window, and then from a list of construction tools we select polygon, and then we can create any polygon feature just like this. In this topo sheet we can see here some open scrub land, so we can digitize the open scrub land as a polygon feature, polygon layer. So just click on this just like this, and we can draw a polygon to represent our open scrub area like this. So just by clicking tick 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 tick, we can digitize our map like this. Then just double clicking at the end and we can finish the polygon feature. So in this way we can create a point, line or polygon shape files, and we can edit all these shape files. Then after editing we must save edits and then stop editing. Now go to the um, attribute properties, and we can edit the attribute also. So right click on the layer and then open attribute table. Here there are three options to edit the attribute layers. First one is just by right clicking on the layer and then open attribute table, and second one is by just start editing and click on the feature and then just right click and go to property, and in this way we can also edit the our attributes from here also. And then next process is from here, from the editor toolbar we can select click on the attribute, and from here we can also change the we can edit the attribute from here directly, just like by selecting the layer, as this is a road layer, and we can give the FID, we can give the name of the layer also. So first of all, to edit our attribute data, we must add a field in the attribute table. So just right click and open attribute table and then click go to this tab and then click on add field. Here the point to be remember is that we must follow that the step that the editing must be stopped before adding the any field to the attribute table, because if the here the editing is start, then the add field option will be hide. So before adding any field to the attribute table, we must remember the editing must be stopped, and then here click on the option add field, and then in this way we can add a field to the shapefile. So I can give the name as a name, and the name must be in the here many types. We can use a text for the name field, and then click on OK, and in the same way just add go to the open attribute table and add a new field to the polyline feature also. So we'll just add field and then give the name and type, select type as a text, and then OK. And in polyline we can add another field as a length, and it may be in double, and then OK. And then next one is the polygon feature. So just right click on the polygon feature and then open attribute, and then go to this tab and select add field, and then name as a name, and then name can be in text, then OK. And here we can add a additional field as a area, and then area maybe in double, and then OK. Okay, so in this way we can create feature class of point, line and polygon, and we can also edit the data. So these are the vector data. We are working on the vector layers, and these base maps are the raster layers. So in the next video we will learn how to edit, how to work with attribute table, and how to edit the attribute data. So if you like this session, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.